Hey guys, good evening. This is Masum here. I just took shower and I have to go to attend a wedding ceremony just nearby of our home. So मिलते हैं वहाँ पे. So guys, I have come by bike. I know I am so late here, and I have also finished the lunch and I have also finished the dinner just now. Now I will go back to home. So okay, let's go back to home. Okay. And it was amazing. And he is Ahan is with me. So guys, meet you soon in my next video. Okay, bye. I hope you will subscribe my channel and comment on my video, like and subscribe my video. Okay? So guys, finally I reached home. Now I will undress myself. And then okay, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, share my videos. That's all. Thank you so much.